What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. In this video, we'll be showing us how to charge your Galaxy Buds, and I'll just talk about a few of the things that indicate how much life you have on your Galaxy Buds. So the first thing I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys, we will need this. Make sure you have the buds and the charging dock. You will also need the power supply cable that connects to the dock and plug it into a power source. So before we get started, I'd just like to show you guys there is a little indicator light here. As you guys can see, mine is currently black. There's no life in these whatsoever. They have not been powered up yet. So if you have one that is currently shining a green light, green indicates anywhere from 60 to fully charged. A yellow light indicates from 30% to 60%, and then a red light indicates from 0 to 30%. And then if it's a blinking red light, there's some sort of issue with the charging dock or the pods. Something's going on, something's not seated correctly. So in order to start off with the charging them, you're going to want to take the two pods and you're going to want to put them inside your charging dock. And there are letters right here. There's an L and an R for a left and a right, and the buds themselves are labeled with an L and an R. So the R fits on the right side, and the reason for that is to get your little connectors there to connect properly. And then there is the one for the left side. Go ahead and install those as well. Once you have them in, go ahead and close it. We will now take our power cord and install it into the back of the charging dock. And then once we have that connected, what we will do next is go to our power source and plug it in. I'm currently plugging into a computer. You can also plug into just one of the adapters for a wall plug. So as you guys can see on the front here, there's a little indicator light. It looks slightly orangish, but here it is a red, like a faint red color, and that is just indicating that it is charging. When it's fully charged, it will give us a green light telling us that we are good to go. But while it's red, we just have to let it charge and do its thing. So that's just my quick tutorial on how to charge your Samsung Galaxy Buds. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.